Hello, this is Diana and I'm recording my first tutorial in this new course, Manage a Moodle Site, and our first task is to record the tutorial as a guest. So I need to get to the Moodle MOOCs, moodlemoocs.com, and I will not log in, I will be a guest. Or just let me have a look if we have the guest option here. So, okay, so I'm there. There are two login options, two login places, yes, buttons which you can click on and log in. So here we have only Google login and Facebook login. No login as a guest. Let me check this one. Yeah, here we have this neat page and there is login as a guest option. I'm in as a guest, I suppose. Okay, so what can I see here? I like this column, you know, just when I click here, there are only symbols and the screen is wider. When I click back, it comes back and we can see what those symbols stand for. So really nice. Okay, we are on Manager site, Manager of a Moodle Site, collaborative course. Enrollment options, and guests cannot access this course. We need to log in first, so we cannot get anywhere. Yeah, we need to log in. Okay, guests cannot do anything, right? Just watch. Okay, so what else can I do? When I click on home, I see available courses. And what else can I see? There are only 4 options here for me. So if I click on a sandbox, let's try that. Another one. Yeah, sandbox. Guests cannot access this course either. Okay. So, what about calendar? Can I see the calendar? No, probably not. Okay, so I guess the calendar, yeah, I guess I can see it from here. Yes. So calendar is like the whole site's thing, not the courses. So not for the courses, but for the whole site. Okay, we can access calendar from the home page. What else? What else? Course archive page. Okay, it's the same as the home page, right? So nothing is different here. Okay, good. What else can we see here? Follow us buttons, all the social media, popular social media. On top we can see the courses, the list of courses, which is, this is the same, I guess, right? When I click here, do we have the same courses? Yes. About the founder, I guess this is the information about Dr. Nelly. Yeah, Google Doc. So about Dr. Nelly, so I'm familiar with this document. So, okay, and donate. When you click on donate, I think that you will have this donate button over there somewhere. Yes, it is here, so if you want to donate. Okay, what else? When you click on recent, you will see all the, okay, what is that? Web quests for active live learners. You see? But this is okay. These are all the courses, I guess, on this site. Recent courses. Speak English now. Okay, interesting. So we can see the courses. But you see, I get to the different site now, integratingtechnology.org. Interesting. When I click on home, it's integratingtechnology.org. Interesting. So from the donation, I get straight to the integratingtechnology.org. Okay, And list of courses over there is different, I guess. Oh yeah, there are a lot of courses over there. So the guest has found the other door to the other site. Okay, so yeah, I hope it was useful somehow for you to watch. See you later. Bye.